Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa. You are looking at a 2019 Premier 230 Sunsation. This is the RF, so we have rear-facing couches as well as two bow couches. There is a power bimini with silver arms to match the skirting and the tubes, and chocolate exterior with the chocolate canvas. Honda 115 that has 110 engine hours. We have transom speakers, and the previous owner upgraded the sound system inside, so it has a really great sound upgrade from the standard for 2019. Got a swim ladder here. And beautiful furniture. This is kind of like a stone with the platinum accent in here that's a little bit shiny. Very comfortable and cool to the touch. Here's a wet sound subwoofer that goes with the marine audio speakers. So these were standard. This is an upgrade. And then we have Clarion speakers on the back. That was an upgrade. We have a trash bin here with a door, so you don't have to ask anybody to get out of their seat to get to the garbage can. The co-captain has the same chair as the captain. And we've got a speaker caddy here. So when you turn the chair sideways, you have access to a dry storage box for your phone in here. And there's a little charging port too. Some additional cup holders. And then here at the helm, we've got a raised helm stand with a non-skid mat. This mat is peeling. It's pretty easy to replace. That's not included in the price of this boat, but we've got RGB lighting here for our little courtesy toe kick light down there. Keep you from stubbing your toe at night. We have a sink, and this is a paper towel holder that doubles as a cup holder. Additional cup holder there. And then we've got our regular shifting here, key ignition, little charging port for your captain, analog gauges, and then a Humminbird Helix 5 with navigation and a fish finder. Then we've got the marine audio Bluetooth head unit here. And then these are your aftermarket switches for those additional sound system functions there. And then all of your backlit rocker switches there as well. So this boat is located at MarineMax in Nisswa. We're right on Highway 371, and we look forward to seeing you soon.